Ajax tutorial, and in this last video I'm going to show you that how we can edit this record using Ajax. So when we click this one, then the data we will change here and we can update from here. So let's get back to here. Once again, let's copy this whole code and paste below. We will just make small modification and it will work. So in this case, what will happen? Clicking on this button, right? When we will click on this ID, so we need to change here rather ID, right? Of course here will be hash. So clicking on this, we will fetch two things. One, we will fetch the ID. Just let's comment this code, or simply we can remove also. We don't require this. So here first we need to change this. So our field name is not course data, it is simply course name. So we put here course name and then course name. So let's try to check here if the course name is coming or not. So refresh it, Ajax, then yes, yes, so the new updated data is coming. I click on this one and commerce, then S is coming. So what we need is that we also need ID of that particular row. So what we need to do is that let's go here and again input type hidden, then course ID, ID equal to course ID. We will set ID here in hidden field. So initially let's make it text, okay, course ID, and then value equals to blank initially. Now if you check here, then it should display like this. So what we need, when we change this, it should change this one, and also this one should also fill the ID of that particular record. So how that's possible? Here in edit section, we need to, in edit section here, similarly we need to fill the data of course, what is its name, course ID, right? Course ID, and here will be its value. Now refresh it and then click on this, and you can see both we are fetching here, because for updating we require the data as well as the ID. That is why. So now we don't want to show this, but hiddenly this field will require, okay? So in that case, because we don't want to show this to user, we want only to show this field only to users. So in that case, simply let's put it as hidden, input type hidden, okay? Now get back to here, edit section. Now we want to get the ID of that course ID. So simply replace this and course ID, value of course ID. So just check it by refreshing. so on. Click button edit course id dot val. Okay, so this is course ID. We are getting here ID as well as course name. So if you want to check here whether the ID is displaying or not, then simply click on this and click this, then you can see the IDs of different record. Now we will pass these two things to our update field. So here will be update Ajax. So what we need, these IDs as well as we need these IDs as well as the course name. Okay, now Control N, save and edit Ajax.php, and of course we need to change here also edit Ajax, oh sorry, it is update, no? It will be not edit, update, edit update one second. Is it updating or not? Let me check first. So its name will be edit, not edit, update Ajax. Update Ajax. Okay, let's open it. Now once again here will be if $_post, we'll write here update query if $_post, then you will write update query here, update equals to update courses set course name equals to $_post $_post course name, where ID equals to $_post ID. IDs, it is IDs, right? IDs. So what are these actually? These are the one which we are passing here. This IDs is this IDs is this one, and this course name is this one we are passing. So here will be IDs because here we are passing as IDs, that is why IDs. MySQL if MySQL query then $con equals to, okay, there will be one more quotation closing here, $con $update means everything is fine. In that case, okay means 1 or else 0. Cool. 0. Okay, so now let's get back to here. Click on Ajax, as data successfully deleted. Actually we need to change the name here. Updated. Let's refresh it, change here. Let's remove S, click on update. You can see it is updating live. Let's change it to C++ and click on this. You can see it is instantly updating without page refresh. If I want to click delete this, then automatically this will be deleted. And one more thing, when we click on this, then after updating, this button should hide, right? So what we will do, this button we can hide in case of everything is fine. So it will be fade out. Where? Fade out. That means the update button should hide once the editing task is performed. For example, here I'm writing here, say Angular. Alright, updation is finished and the course is. But if I click on this one, then again it will come, and then here React JS, click on this update, data is updated, that button is hidden. So hope you guys like this video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch and subscribe my other videos also, so that I can reach to you as soon as I upload the video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.